your girl Just T. Hope that everyone is doing awesome today. You guys have had a blessed day and hopefully a blessed weekend, right? Everybody's well and healthy. But I'm going to share this little recipe with you guys. Today we're going to make some sausages and peppers and onions. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so good, you guys. Very, very good dish. And it's going to go along with that. I have some chicken flavored rice that I made. So I'm going to also try to put that video in the description box. So it probably won't be up today. I'm not sure. Like I said in my other video, I'm not sure which one's going to get uploaded today. Excuse me. But in order to get that started, you're going to need some type of sausages. Now, whatever sausages that you want to use, that's going to be up to you. If you don't like pork, then of course use some beef sausages. Or if you don't like pork or beef, use turkey sausages. You know, so many different varieties of sausages that you can use for this dish. Today, I'm going to be using these. I love Andouille sausages, so I'm going to be using some Andouille sausages. And this brand, she got it going on. Yes, ma'am. Yes, you do. And you're going to need a little bit of some diced tomatoes. I would rather have like a fresh tomato itself than in a can, but I don't have no fresh tomatoes, so we have canned. And for the vegetables we're going to be using, this is one small yellow onion over here. This is like 1/4 of a orange bell pepper, and this is one whole poblano pepper. Not spicy or anything, guys. Those are not spicy, but they have such good flavor. Oh my gosh, it's so good in this. And over here I have 1/3 of a red bell pepper, or a quarter. I'm sorry, 1/4 of a red bell pepper. My bad. My bad. Also, we're going to be using some black pepper and some seasoned salt. Look at that. Easy peasy, right? So let's go ahead and move on over to the stove, guys, and let's get this right here going, all right? Okay, guys, I'm like to. Let me show you guys how I'm cutting up my sausages, just so, you know, if you guys want to know. So, just have the sausage link. Just going to always cut this little piece off. I don't know. It's a habit. But hopefully you guys can see this. But I'm just slicing them. The thickness or whatever is going to depend on you, how thick or thin you want your sausages. I'm trying to cut these on an angle. It's a little awkward. I'm just cutting them like that. And I have my pan on the stove heating up in about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. And I'm trying to get my pan nice and hot so we can go ahead and add these sausages in there, because we're going to get these nice and brown. So I'll meet you guys over at the stove. Okay, guys, so welcome back. So now we're going to go ahead and get those sausages into the pan. I said I have about 2 tablespoons of canola oil at the bottom of this pan. And you just want to let your sausages cook a little bit until they brown. I'm going to get a nice brownness on those sausages before we add in the vegetables, because I still want the vegetables to have some kind of crunch to them. I don't want them to be all soft and stuff, you know. So that's why you want to go ahead and brown these first, and then we'll add in the sausage. So I'm going to let these brown for a little bit. I have my heat right now on a medium high, so it shouldn't take long, and I'll bring you guys right back. Okay, guys, so welcome back. So they're getting nice and brown, and then we're going to be adding in our vegetables. They're getting nice and brown, so I like them to look like this if I can. You see that? That's what I like them to be. So now we're going to go ahead and add in all of those vegetables right out in there. And my eye down about a 6 right now. And as far as seasoning goes, let me get those. With the seasoning salt, I'm going to add in 1/2 of a teaspoon of seasoning salt. Get it out. 1/2 of a teaspoon. Same with black pepper. About a teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Now you can use the seasoned salt at your own judgment, or you can use salt. It's up to you. Yeah, I like them in there like that. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. But I do. I like my sausages to have some like char on them a little bit. You know, not burnt, but just some on them. That's what I want on them. You know, let these just cook down a little bit, not that much longer, because I don't want them to be soft. I still want them to have a nice crunch. So I'm just going to let these peppers and onions cook down maybe about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes. And I turn my heat down. So right now I'm working on like a medium heat, because I don't want those to cook too long and then they get really soft. Alright, so I'll bring you guys right back. Real quick and easy dish though, it is. It's so easy. So good. This will go with anything. You can put these, make a sub with it, right? You can do anything with it. Either with some mashed potatoes or something. Some white rice. You know, I'm making some rice as well. So this dish right here, so quick and easy. And you can have it with anything. Alright, so welcome back. So I let these cook down on a medium heat for about good 5-6 minutes. And so now I have that 1/2 cup of the diced tomatoes. I'm gonna just add those in. But like I said, if you can get, you know, a fresh tomato, use that. It's gonna be so much better. Definitely gonna taste better. And so basically, guys, this is like done. This is done. Yep, it's done. I wish you guys could smell this, because oh my gosh, it smells really good, and it's good, guys. I swear to you, it's really good. You guys will really enjoy this dish. So freaking easy and simple, but yet flavorful. You know what I'm saying? Really, really good. And so all I'm about to do now is just turn my eye off and make me a plate, because it's about to be on. Look at that. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys. Let me show you some. Look at this. That looks really, really good. Let me turn it around for you. There you go. Look at that. Whoa. This looks really good, guys. Look at this. So simple and easy. Simple and easy. And yet so good. And you want your vegetables to still have some crunch to them. Yep. But that's it, guys. Right there. There you go. I like these andouille sausages because they are like got a nice little spice to them and everything. Yes, ma'am. That's a banger right there, y'all. I ain't playing with you. It is. So good. I hope you guys, a little hot. I hope you guys have an awesome day. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's just T. I hope you guys stay forever blessed. I'm out.